Hello all, today in this video I am going to show how to display a scatter graph. So in order to display a scatter graph, initially not only to display a scatter graph, the Python code, initially we have to import the libraries. To display the scatter graph, what are the libraries which we are using are Pandas, NumPy, then Matplotlib to show the plot and show the picture which we are displaying, that is the scatter graph. So to display the scatter graph, here we are initializing the variables like mean and standard deviation. So mean we are displaying as zero point 0.4. I'm just giving a random number as zero point 0.4. If you want some other numbers, means that is if you are having some other mean, and sigma, that is standard deviation values, means please state that. And here I'm just giving random as zero point 0.4 and zero point 0.2, and then I'm just providing a random module like np dot random not seed, and then I'm defining the x coordinates and also the y coordinates. In the x coordinates I'm just defining the mean and also the standard deviation, and in the y coordinate the I'm just multiplying the mean into 2, and while coming with standard deviation I'm just multiplying it with 3. So then I'm just displaying the all this x and y variables in a scatter plot. So now we can run the code. First I'm running the libraries, and then I'm just running the line which we have called the mean, standard deviation, and the x coordinates and the y coordinates. So this is that, and finally by using the scatter plot I'm just calling the x and y coordinates over here, and color I have specified as blue, and then I'm just showing this plot function. So now you can see the code, the scatter plot for the standard deviation and the mean value is displayed by using the Python code. So in the next graph we can see another plus. Here we are just displaying a single value of x and y. So in the next video I will show you how to display different x and y scatter plot variables in the next video. So thank you.